Good morning, my dear students. Yesterday I was explain question 3rd. Today I will explain question 4 and 5. So let us start question number 4. A plane is flying at the height of 500 meter above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? In this diagram, this is a sea level. This is a plane and this is a submarine. Plane is flying 500 meter above the sea level and submarine is floating 1200 meter below the sea level. So we have to find the vertical distance between plane and submarine. 5000 plus 1200 equals to 6200 will be answer of this question. So solve this. The height of a plane above the sea level equals to 5000 meter. Floating the submarine below the sea level equals to 1200 meter, means 1200 meter. The vertical distance between plane and submarine will be 5000 plus 1200 meter equals to 6200 meter will be answer. Understood? Next question. Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1642 from it. The next day, if withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. So let us start. मीन्स दिस क्वेश्चन मोहन के अकाउंट में 2000 रुपीज़ डिपॉजिट है, उनमें से 1642 रुपीज़ विड्रॉल कर लिए. द बैलेंस इन मोहन्स अकाउंट आफ्टर द विड्रॉल, हाउ मेनी बैलेंस? सो 1642 subtract from 2000, it will be answer. So now start. Deposit amount in Mohan's account is rupees 2000. Withdrawal amount equals to rupees 1642 the balance in Mohan's account after withdrawal equals to rupees 2000 minus rupees 1642 equals to rupees 3, 10 minus 2, 8, 9 minus 4, 5, and 19 minus 16, 3. That will be 3,358 rupees. So therefore the balance in Mohan's account after withdrawal this. Now question number 6. Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to the point B. From B, she moves 30 km towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? By which integer will you represent her final position from A? Rita goes 20 km towards from a point. In this question, the distance toward east is represent the east direction. Solve. The east direction represent by a east direction is represented by a positive integer, and the west direction represent by a negative integer. Okay, now this is a number line, a road here east direction, and in this side west direction. Here point A, here B, and here C. First, Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to the point B. A से B पर जाने के लिए 20 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस कवर करती है. A to B 20 kilometer. Then the distance now distance between AB, A and B equals to A and B equals or AB equals to 20 kilometer. Next, from B, C moves 30 kilometer. From B, C moves 30 kilometer towards west along the same road. C moves 30 kilometer. 30 kilometer at point C. This is 30 kilometer distance. Then distance between B and C, and BC equals to 30 kilometer. Now we have to find the distance traveled towards west from B. By which integer will you represent the for final position from A. The final position from A equals to 20 minus 30 equals to minus 10 kilometer. Final position from A, total distance of AB equals to 20 kilometer, and distance of BC equals to 30 kilometer, then distance of AC equals to total distance BC 30 kilometer and AB 20, then AB minus BC equals to 20 minus 30 minus 10 kilometer.